Nature's Healing TV presents Healing Leaves, Nature's Hidden Medicine for Total Wellness. What if I told you that some of the most powerful medicines in the world are not locked inside hospitals, not stored in pharmacies, but growing quietly in your backyard? Leaves, simple, green, often ignored, hold secrets that generations before us relied on for healing, strength, and survival. Before modern drugs, before synthetic pills, people turned to nature. And nature responded with leaves that heal wounds, cleanse the blood, fight infections, and restore the body from within. Today, we are rediscovering what our ancestors already knew. This is not just a story, this is a revelation. Welcome to Healing Leaves, Nature's Hidden Medicine for Total Wellness. Section 1. The Power of Leaves, What Science and Tradition Agree On. Leaves are not just plant parts. They are biochemical factories. They contain alkaloids are powerful compounds that fight disease, flavonoids antioxidants that protect your cells, tannins natural healers for wounds and infections, essential oils are known for antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. Modern science is now confirming what traditional medicine has practiced for centuries. Leaves can boost immunity, detoxify the body, fight infections, improve digestion, reduce inflammation, support heart health. Across Africa, Asia, and ancient civilizations, leaves were used as first-line medicine. And here's the truth. Many pharmaceutical drugs today are derived from plant compounds originally found in leaves. Section 2. Common healing leaves and their benefits. Let's explore some of the most powerful healing leaves you should know. 1. Bitter leaf Rhinoni amygdalina, a staple in African traditional medicine. Benefits: cleanses the liver, helps regulate blood sugar, fights malaria and infections, improves digestion. Traditional use: often squeezed and taken as juice or cooked into soups. Reality check: its bitterness is not a weakness, it is the medicine. 2. Moringa leaves, the miracle tree, known as one of the most nutrient-rich plants on earth. Benefits: rich in vitamins C and A, boosts immunity, fights inflammation, improves energy levels. Traditional use: dried and powdered or brewed as tea. Fact: Moringa contains more vitamin C than oranges and more calcium than milk. 3. Neem leaves, Dogonyaro, one of the most powerful detoxifying leaves. Benefits: purifies the blood, fights bacteria and viruses, supports skin health, helps manage fever. Traditional use: boiled into tea or used in baths for skin cleansing. 4. Guava leaves, often overlooked but highly potent. Benefits: treats diarrhea and stomach upset, helps regulate blood sugar, supports oral health. Traditional use: boiled and consumed as tea. 5. Scent leaf, basil and chuanwu, a fragrant leaf with strong medicinal power. Benefits: relieves cough and cold, supports digestion, fights infections. Traditional use: boiled and consumed as tea. 5. Scent leaf, basil and chuanwu, a fragrant leaf with strong medicinal power. Benefits: relieves cough and cold, supports digestion, fights infections. Traditional use: used in soups or squeezed for juice. 6. Utazi leaves, Dogonyaro latifolium, a bittersweet leaf used in eastern Nigeria. Benefits: improves appetite, supports digestion, helps regulate blood sugar. Section 3. How healing leaves work in the body. Healing leaves don't just treat symptoms, they restore balance. Here's how they work. Detoxification: they help the liver and kidneys flush out toxins. Cell protection: antioxidants fight free radicals. Immune boosting: strengthen the body's defense system. Anti-inflammatory action: reduce swelling and internal irritation. And like many synthetic drugs that target one symptom, leaves often work holistically, supporting multiple systems at once. Section 4. Preparation methods. How to use healing leaves effectively. To unlock their full potential, preparation is key. 1. Leaf tea decoction method. Steps: wash fresh leaves thoroughly. Boil in clean water for 10 to 15 minutes. Allow to cool slightly. Drink warm. Best for detox, digestion, immune support. 2. Fresh juice extraction. Steps: wash leaves, crush or blend, squeeze out juice. Drink in small quantities. Best for strong, fast-acting effects. 3. Powder form dried leaves. Steps: dry leaves under shade. Grind into powder. Store in airtight container. Usage: add to water, smoothies, or food. 4. Steam inhalation. Steps: boil aromatic leaves like scent leaf. Inhale steam carefully. Best for respiratory issues. 5. Herbal bath. Steps: boil leaves. Add to bath water. Benefits: skin cleansing, relaxation, spiritual renewal. Section 5. Safety and precautions. While healing leaves are powerful, they must be used wisely. Important guidelines: do not overdose. Natural does not mean unlimited. Pregnant women should consult a professional. Avoid mixing too many leaves at once. Always wash leaves thoroughly. Start with small quantities. Truth: even medicine can become harmful when abused. Section 6. Why modern people are returning to healing leaves. Today, more people are turning back to natural remedies. Why? Rising cost of healthcare, side effects of synthetic drugs, desire for natural living, rediscovery of traditional wisdom. Healing leaves offer something many modern treatments lack: balance, sustainability, and connection to nature. Section 7. Spiritual and cultural significance. In many cultures, leaves are not just physical medicine, they carry spiritual meaning. They symbolize cleansing, renewal, protection, life. For generations, leaves were used in prayers, rituals, and healing practices, not just to treat the body, but to restore peace within. Section 8. Practical daily routine using healing leaves. Here's a simple routine you can follow. Morning: drink warm leaf tea, Moringa or Guava. Afternoon: include scent leaf or bitter leaf in meals. Evening: light herbal tea for relaxation. Weekly: herbal bath for detox and skin health. Consistency is key. Healing is not a one-time event, it is a lifestyle. Section 9. Common mistakes people make. Avoid these. Expecting instant results. Using unclean or contaminated leaves. Ignoring dosage. Mixing incompatible herbs. Abandoning treatment too quickly. Natural healing takes time, but the results are deeper and more lasting. Powerful closing: emotional plus call to action. The next time you walk past a plant, pause. That leaf you ignore may hold the healing your body has been crying for. Nature has never stopped providing. The question is, have we stopped paying attention? Your health does not always begin in a hospital. Sometimes, it begins in a leaf. If you found this powerful, share this message. Someone out there needs this healing. Subscribe to Nature's Healing TV for more life-transforming natural remedies, ancient wisdom, and powerful health secrets. Because healing is closer than you think. This video is for educational and traditional knowledge purposes only, and it is not a substitute for professional medical advice or diagnosis, so be warned.